Hello guys, this is Coventry Park, very beautiful place. The ducks are there. You can see it's a beautiful place. Ducks are there, birds are there. See, so much nice. You can see this place. It's a very good place for tourism. Like it's very nice place. Lot of things are there, and water is there as well. It's a very famous place in Coventry. Very big water is there, beautiful water is there, and beautiful buildings are there. Very nice atmosphere is there. Birds are there. They made a bridge. It's called Swanswell Park in Coventry. Very nice place. Like my page and share it, and subscribe my channel if you like to. And there's birds are there. Very nice birds. These are birds. One more bird is there. Some birds are here as well. It's a very nice atmosphere place. Some birds are flying. Very nice. Very nice greenery is there. They're all green. All birds are there. These birds are coming. Wait, okay. These birds are coming. Very nice birds. See, baby birds. The ducks have birds. Their birds are with them. These ducks. They carrying their baby ducks are there as well. They're all coming with them. Mother is going and the children are going behind them. Baby ducks. They're all coming like this way.